So Cyrus sees that road rage guy at the gas station and Cyrus tries to park his car next to the guy car, but Darius does not think it's right and Darius says that we should stay away from this guy because Darius thinks that the guy is very crazy, but Cyrus is keeping an eye on the road rage guy's car and it is seen that the road rage guy gets out of the car. And Cyrus is following the guy and Darius is forbidding Cyrus from getting close to the guy and Darius is afraid that the road rage guy might cause some trouble again. And Darius remembers all the deeds of the road rage guy and Cyrus also wants to keep an eye on the road rage guy so that Cyrus can find out the guy's house. And Cyrus is waiting for the road rage guy in the car outside the shopping center and while Darius does not want to mess with the road rage guy again, then the guy comes back out of the mall and Darius tells Cyrus that this is not the best time to chase him, but Cyrus wants to chase the road rage guy and wants to know where he lives. And then Darius is forced to obey Cyrus and Cyrus starts chasing the road rage guy and Darius starts getting very worried about this matter. And Darius thinks that chasing this road rage guy is no less than a problem, but Cyrus is doing his own thing and is following the road rage driver. And wherever his car takes a turn, Cyrus is also going there. And while Darius looks worried with his face, and Darius does not want to do all this. And Cyrus also knows that it is not right to do this at night, but Cyrus does not want to waste the opportunity. And then Cyrus stops his car behind the road rage driver's car. And then Cyrus gets out of the car and tries to talk to this crazy driver and the crazy driver starts getting very aggressive after finding Cyrus in his neighborhood. But Cyrus tries to talk calmly and the crazy driver is telling Cyrus and Darius to leave the neighborhood. And while Cyrus is trying to talk to the crazy driver very calmly, but the crazy driver is trying to fight Cyrus and Darius. The crazy driver is angry that Cyrus and Darius follow him all the way home, but Darius wants to shake hand with the crazy driver. While the crazy driver is talking to Cyrus and Darius in a rude manner, the words of Cyrus and Darius have no effect on the crazy driver. The crazy driver does not want to see Cyrus and Darius at all. Then Cyrus and Darius also start going back home and Darius thinks that the road rage guy is not one of the reformers at all.